Okay, triangle inequality theorem. So, it states that yung sum ng two sides must be greater than or equal to the third side. So, ibig sabihin, yung sum ng dalawang sides is greater than dun sa third side. So, kung hindi siya greater than, kung less than siya, hindi siya makakabuo ng triangle, or dun sa ambiguous case sa trigonometry, no triangle exists. So, ito pala yung kapartner ng no triangle exists. No, so, may kinuha tayo sa internet, no, lengths, side lengths 5, 7, and 10. So, inuuna mo muna is 5 plus 7 greater than 10, obviously, kasi 12 is greater than 10. Is 5 plus 10 greater than 7, of course. 15 is greater than 7. Lagay natin. And lastly, is 7 plus 10 is greater than 5, of course. 17 is greater than 5. So, makakabuo siya ng triangle. Yung sarili natin example, no? Side lengths 8, 10, and 12. Okay, side lengths 8, 10, and 12. Kung makakabuo ba ng triangle yan. So, first, 8 plus 10 is 8 plus 10 greater than 12. Of course, 18 is greater than 12. Is 8 plus 12 greater than 10? Of course, 20 is greater than 10. Is 10 plus 12 greater than 8? Of course, 22 is greater than 8. So, all condition has been satisfied, forms a triangle. So, yun lang ang ibig sabihin yan. Pag yung dalawang side is greater than dun sa third side, makakabuo siya ng triangle. So, yun yung magandang natututunan natin about triangles. Again, para sa akin, for me, trigonometry is all about triangles. Triangles and angles that accompanies the triangle. So, yun ang trigonometry. So, yun lang po.